Jyotiraditya Scindia, a big exclusive chat with him on India Today. Scindia opens up on Congress's Mangal Sutra controversy. Big attack on the campaign trail. Speaking to India Today, all the newsmakers, in fact, right here on this very platform. Let's take a quick glimpse at Jyotiraditya Scindia.
A lot of talk of the manifesto of your erstwhile party. Have you read it? Have you read the Congress manifesto, sir?
No, I don't think I want to waste my time reading the manifesto.
You haven't?
No, I don't. I haven't read it, and I don't want to waste my time doing that because I belong to a party which is very positive in its thinking. It's a party that's under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, building India into a world power over the next 5 to 10 years. And I think life, God has given you life and very few moments, and I think you need to concentrate those moments in building positivity. And I think this positive trend that has started over the last 10 years under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the way that India is progressing, every single citizen feels part of his huge movement to propel India onto the world stage. It's not a movement of one leader alone, but he, in his tremendous capability, is moving 140 crore people with him. And I would rather spend my time on positivity with respect to that movement rather than on negativity of a hollow manifesto which represents nothing for the new modern India and the India that will be a world power in the days to come.
But you speak of a positive campaign, but the Prime Minister today stands accused of using the word Mangal Sutra. Many say making a borderline communal speech.
I don't think I don't think so at all. It is the case because the Congress manifesto talks about going like an X-ray and examining exactly what you have in your cupboards and then redistributing that. And therefore, if you look at rural India, Preeti, rural India does not save and invest its money in equity schemes and fixed deposits. Women in rural India invest their money in silver and gold. And if you're going to take away the silver and gold ornaments that households have earned through completely kosher means and take away their creation of wealth and redistribute it, I think it needs to be completely damned in the context of what it is presenting to India. India is today moving forward. The Congress is taking India 1,000 years back.
So the Congress has gone out on a limb to say this is spreading falsehood. You had Priyanka Gandhi who says this is absurd. Have we ever taken away your gold Mangal Sutra?
But that's what they're talking about. If they're talking about redistribution, then that's what they're talking about.
But you guys spoke of it in 2014 as well.
No, we did not.
Under Mr. Jansen.
No. We talked about growing India's pie, and in that growth of India's pie, making sure that those who are economically marginalized get a greater share of that pie. And the Prime Minister has done that through his schemes by empowering every single Indian, whether it's Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, whether it is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, whether it is the Ayushman Card Yojana, whether it is the 80 crore ration scheme. It is the empowerment of India. Why? So that every Indian can contribute to the idea of nation building in the days to come. That is the magnetic idea that has caught the imagination of the people of India.